What's up, guys? It's TaylorAshleigh. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, today we're gonna start the maintenance vlog. Today I'm getting my nails done at 10. It's 9:36. Oh yeah, wait. It's 9:36, y'all. So I really need to be on my way. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all once I'm on the way to my nail appointment, or once I'm getting my McDonald's, cause Titi gotta eat. All right, y'all. Hey y'all, so she just finished my nails. They're so tea. Yes, like they're real tea, they're real cute. And just the other hand. And yeah, I will see y'all once I am either doing my hair, cause y'all see this typical mess, or when I'm doing my lashes, cause y'all, I'm trying clusters for the first time, and I'm gonna do them. Either I'm gonna get my sister to do them, and hopefully they be tea. So yeah, see y'all then. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, December 19th, and I came on here to tell y'all that my wig came. I got this wig from AliExpress. It's 32 inches, and y'all, it's so good. So y'all gonna see it tomorrow when I'm getting my hair done. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all then. Bye. Y'all, so today is the next day, I think. Yeah, it's the 20th. It's Friday, and y'all see me blowing my hair out. Y'all, my wig came. I think I told y'all that. Yeah, wig came. washed it, blow dried it, did all that stuff, let it dry. And now it's time for me to braid my hair down and style my hair. I'm not gonna show y'all the whole process of that because it's gonna be very, 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 very long. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all. Hey y'all, it is 8:05. It's late as fuck and I still ain't started on my hair. But it's okay because just give me a couple hours, not like, give me like an hour or two and a couple seconds for y'all. I'm back with my hair done. So yeah, see y'all in 3, 2. Hey y'all, so I finished my hair a couple hours ago, but I didn't pick up my camera and show y'all because I was being a bit back and I was hungry. So we're gonna try this 3, 2, 1 again and y'all gonna see my hair tomorrow. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And y'all, this is what my hair looks like. This is my first time. This is my first time doing crimps. So y'all tell me how I did. See, yeah. Tell me how they look, y'all. Like, are they getting? But alright y'all, I will see y'all once. I'm probably gonna get my lashes done today, so I'll either see y'all later on today or either tomorrow. And today is Saturday the 21st. Yes, it is December 21st. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back and
oh wait, you should vlog on both cameras.
I'm finna get my lashes done. This is for my maintenance vlog.
Oh. Wait, so which vlog you was recording for in the view stuff?
I vlog.
Oh, okay.
Y'all look at.
Hey guys. Wait.
Oh my god, we look so tea.
Sorry, y'all, she's doing a maintenance vlog. This is behind the scenes Taylor vlog.
Yes, y'all. Finna get these clusters. I'm scared. What's base and medium? Oh, okay, my bad. Y'all, this is what I'm going for.
Let's see.
One of these.
Cat eye.
This cat eye? Mm-hmm. Oh, see, you know more than I know. One of these. So, yeah. Claudette, Claudette, Claudette. Claudette. Do.
Came back. Yep. I had to.
The bench trial for me.
It's alright. I get it. I get it. She said she want to get the in other words, because y'all got on her nerve.
She can't run it back though.
I know. Hey guys.
You don't have a lash right now.
what I was touching. Hey y'all. This is what they look like. I don't know. What's up? Alright y'all. Hey y'all, this is Crimps timing. I forgot to close off the video for my maintenance vlog. So thank y'all for watching, and well, first off, Merry Christmas. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.